Curious George makes pancakes. Curious George makes pancakes. This is George. George was a good little monkey and always very curious. One morning, the man with the yellow hat woke George early. Time to get up, George, he said. The pancake breakfast is today. George loved the pancake breakfast. It was a fundraiser held every year to make money for special programs at the children's hospital. Besides eating pancakes, there were all kinds of games to play. Even the mayor came to play and eat. But first, he gave a welcome speech. Thank you for all coming, the mayor said. We appreciate your generous support. He thanked all the volunteers who were helping that day. And finally, he said, please enjoy yourselves and the pancakes. When Mayor finished, the man with the yellow hat said, George, I'm going to buy our tickets. Please wait here and don't be too curious. George waited like a good little monkey. But, something smelled good. Could be pancakes. George was curious. He followed the delicious smell and found a whole griddle filled with pancakes. George watched as the man poured little batter circles and flipped them up in the air. George wanted to help. On the table near the griddle was a basket full of blueberries. These pancakes need some blueberries, George thought, and he sprinkled some on top. Meanwhile, the man at the griddle was so busy he didn't notice the little monkey helping him, but the line grew and grew. George's pancakes were a hit. Soon everyone wanted them, and the man could not keep up. Please wait, he said to someone holding an empty plate. I need to find an assistant to help me. And just like that, he was gone. Just like the people waiting in line, and the hand at the empty plate. Why he could make pancakes? He could be the assistant. George poured the batter into nice round circles. Next, he had blueberry. He waited just a minute to let pancakes cook. Then flip over, and at last, he added syrup. The line for pancakes was enormous, but with the 4 hands, George made quite a chief, and no one's plate was empty for long. I've been coming to this breakfast for years, a man said, but I've never seen pancakes made before. I never eaten this many pancakes before, said the girl. I didn't even like pancakes before, said another girl. They all lined up for more. When the man returned with his new assistant, he was shocked to see a monkey making pancakes. This is no place for a monkey, he yelled, began to chase George. George hadn't meant to cause trouble. He only wanted to help. Now, he wanted to get away quickly. George found a place to hide, and the man and his assistant ran right by. But where did George go? When it's safe to come out, George jumped down. He was covered in silver like cake, and he was sticking to everything. George was curious. Could the napkins help him get clean? No! The napkins only made it worse. What George needed was some water to wash with. Why, here was a perfect thing. George climbed up. This would do a trick for Sticky Monkey. George sat on a bench and splashed himself water, but all of a sudden, splash! George was in the water. What a surprise! George climbed up again and splashed right down. He had never been a duck tank before, and he never had so much fun getting clean. Soon everyone was having fun. And the line of the duck tank grew even longer than the line for pancakes. Later, the bear come by. I heard all about your delicious pancake, he said. You made our fundraiser a big success, and I have a special favor to ask you. At the end of the day, George got to the money from the fundraiser to the president of the hospital. Thanks to you, George. This has been your best year ever, she said. Will you come back and make more pancakes again next year? George nodded and everyone cheered.